And there are other things that are going to destroy the month of Ramadan for you. Jabir ibn Abdullah radiallahu ta'ala anhu, the great companion, you know what he said? He said, إِذَا صُمْتَ فَلْيَصُمْ سَمْعُكَ وَبَصَرُكَ وَلِسَانُكَ عَنِ الْكَذِبِ وَالْمَآثِمِ. When you fast, make sure that your eyes are fasting. Make sure that your ears are fasting. Make sure your tongue is fasting from what? From lying and all types of sins. I honestly believe that if you are someone who manages to control these three body parts, you are on your way of becoming a saint, a beloved servant of Allah Azza wa Jal. I believe that. When you think about it, guys, a lot of the sins that we fall into, would you agree that it stems off from the eyes, especially in today's day and age? With the emergence of social media, every single year, guys, I receive correspondence on Instagram, messages on social media. A brother and a sister saying, I committed zina in the month of Ramadan. What is the expiation? Did you know, my brothers and my sisters, did you know? You know, husband and wife, are they halal for one another? They're halal for one another. Man came and he said, oh Messenger of Allah, I've burnt myself. Burnt himself where? Burnt himself in the hellfire. I've destroyed myself. So the Messenger of Allah asked him, what happened? I had sexual intercourse with my wife in the month of Ramadan. Scholars, they took from this that the fact that he said, I've burnt myself in the hellfire, that this is from the major sins. With your wife, a woman that is halal for you, you do sexual intercourse, you have committed a major sin. SubhanAllah. If that's the case with two people that are halal for one another, and I'm talking about while they're fasting, yeah? While they're fasting, because after Maghrib you can go do what you want, right? This is a major sin. Then how about the person, calm down guys, relax. How about two people that are not even halal for one another? Every Ramadan, guys, countless messages I received this. You know, one time I decided to ask them, how did you guys get to know one another? You know what he said? We got to know one another in the month of Ramadan. Hey, in the month of Ramadan while you're fasting? Type how? He goes through none other than Fitnagram. Innocently, you know, these glances. Shaitan's whispering to him, wallahi, she might be a marriage potential. And he clicks on the profile, and then the shaitan whispers, give her da'wah. Huh? She ends up giving him da'wah, right? And then before you know it, guys, the unexpected takes place. The zina of the eyes is what? To look. And the zina of the tongue is what? To utter, to chirps. And shaitan's telling him, akhi, she's your potential, she's your potential. And you're falling for it. In the month of Ramadan. And then the Messenger said, zina al-yad, the zina of the hand is what? To reach out to her. And the zina of the feet is to walk towards her. In the month of Ramadan, this is happening, guys.